is our second video. We're going to be in transition over the next couple days because this is Pro Tinker, the Tinker of Toys. And I'm going to be talking a lot about toys, wooden rubber band guns in the future. We've got airplanes now. I've got, hand me my airplane there. Give me quick. These are our Firefox airplanes. These are sweet. We're going to talk about these. Boy toys. Toys for boys to have fun. Plus, I got RC cars coming in pretty soon. I've got, our rubber band guns, our wooden rubber band guns. We got some Lego type items. I even got Lego sets I'm going to be selling. You can see my Twitter post is the largest Lego ship I built, which is 9 feet long. We'll do a special video on my Lego ships. But today we're going to, second is another slot cars. There are basically two scales of slot cars really quick for the customer that doesn't know. Okay, these are electric slot car sets. Okay, they put them on a track, and they race them around. Okay, these are basically classic HO slot cars. HO means they're like about this big, 1/64 scale. Okay, this is what you call a 1/32 scale slot car. Okay, so you can see the difference in the scale. All right, this track right here, which I'm going to talk about, the Petty Baker set, is, that's great for, it's 16 feet of track, put on a piece of plywood. You can still do that on the Adrenaline Cup that I talked about in my other video, but the Adrenaline Cup would take all of the plywood. But anyway, these are the scale, 1/32, 1/64. Okay, so the Baker Petty is basically an Auto World set. Auto World basically took a lot of the old Aurora models and molds from the 60s and 70s and just made new sets, okay? And this is a Baker Petty set with two of the really hot cars in the 60s or in the late 70s and 80s, which were the Dodge Charger and the Plymouth Roadrunner. And they're in this set. It's basically 16 feet of track. You got basically bridge pylons. You get everything. Now, this is a really sweet starter set. All these sets are starters, and I've got it Back to the Future, Indy, and then what is that? Ghostbusters. That's a cool set too. They're just fun sets. Now, they're not the pricey. They're not as high as $169. They're on sale right for $92. 92 bucks. That's it. $92. Normally retail $149. $92. I got a special price. I bought the factory. Well, I didn't buy the factory, but I bought them out. I own all of these sets you can possibly get. Okay? So if you want the Petty Baker set, come and get it right now. Okay? And that's what's sweet about these sets. You can see my videos on YouTube. Okay? I talk about this set, Back to the Future, the Indy, and the Ghostbusters. But these are great starter sets. So let's kind of look at this set real quick. What do you get? You get a huge amount of track. And again, this is the simple, just connector type track. It just snaps together. It's the classic Aurora. So if you had an Aurora set or a Tomy AFX set from the 70s and 80s or 90s, and the Race Masters that are made right now, these will connect, because this is basically, it's the universal Tomy Aurora track, okay? Connects very easily. So if you have a Race Master set, you'll be able to connect this together with these Auto World sets. You get a lot of track, a lot of accessories, a lot of parts. It's just a fun set. All four of these sets are absolutely awesome, okay? And you can combine every single one of these sets into one huge mega set. Wow, Brian. Yes, you can. Big mega set. So this is the Baker Petty set, and this is item number SRS 281. And these are on sale for $92 and 65 cents. And all you have to do is email me at our websites are getting kind of, our emails are getting kind of filed out. But my main email to send me information is profess tinker, PROFESS tinker at Gmail. And then you email me PayPal, I'll email you a invoice from PayPal, which is a BCY email address. I haven't figured out how we're going to do that yet, but I sell to customers all the time. So I've been doing this for over 20 years. I'm know there is everything there is to know about slot cars. So you have no worries. So when you buy this, if you have a problem with it, you just give me a call at our 1-877-729-2099 number for tech support. It's that easy. Okay, I get people calling all the time. Look at how many videos on my website. I have over 150 videos, over 1 million hits. Back in 2008 to 2010, when we had SCX Digital, the hottest thing on the planet, people were calling me every day, want more of it. So I've got a reputation online. You can trust me as with I'm gonna steer you right. That's basically all it is. Steer you right. You're gonna have a fun toy. You want a fun toy for Christmas? Get a hold of me. Now, if you buy one of these 4 sets by Christmas, I'm gonna throw in a free car. Whoa, for a free car? What, are you crazy? Yeah, I am. You get a free car with every set till Christmas. I'm gonna just throw one in free, absolutely free, no cost. Free. That's a $20 value. Free, absolutely free. Free car. It's a random car. Can't pick it out. I have millions of them. I'm just gonna throw you a free one. Wow. Any one of these 4 sets till Christmas. Whoa. So this is our 1/64 scale, HO it's called, scale, HO scale. Always remember that, HO scale, 1/32nd, 1/24th. The most popular is HO and then 1/32nd. Now over in Europe, 1/32nd is the most popular. Now in the States in the 1960s, 1/32nd and 1/24th was the most popular. It was everywhere. Over 1,000 tracks around the country. They're just everywhere. Sears had a whole line of products in the 60s. Okay, guys, thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to email me or just call me 1-877-729-2099 for your toy at Pro Tinker, the Tinker of Toys.